Hello and welcome our space explorers. Today, we will look into our hot star that we refer as Sun. Our Sun is directly related to our nearby space weather due to its violent nature. In the battle against space weather, our planet has one significant advantage. The Sun's radiant heat is responsible for the existence of all life on Earth. What occurs, though, if the radiation goes out of control and suddenly billions of tons of charged solar material are thrusting toward us at thousands of miles per second? What happens when a solar flare directly hits Earth? And could a powerful enough one ever wipe out life as we know it on our planet? First, take a quick look on what are solar flares. Solar flares are caused by the Sun's magnetic field lines becoming stretched and twisted, which results in massive electromagnetic storms the size of planets forming on the Sun's surface. These storms appear to us as cold, dark spots on the Sun called sunspots. Huge tendrils of magnetic field lines that surround sunspots twist, spool, and occasionally snap, producing solar flares, which are intense bursts of energy. According to a previous report, the majority of a solar flare's energy is radiated away as ultraviolet and X-ray light. But a flare's powerful energy can also heat up nearby gas in the Sun's atmosphere, causing coronal mass ejections, CMEs, huge blobs of charged particles, to be sent shooting into space. Any ensuing CMEs will directly strike Earth if a flare-up sunspot is facing our planet, usually taking anywhere between 15 hours and several days to get here. Atoms and molecules in the Earth's atmosphere become electrically charged as electromagnetic energy from the Sun enters our magnetosphere, producing effects that are visible all over the world. The aurora borealis, which is normally only visible near the North Pole, can shift down so far during such storms that it can be seen close to the equator. Can other stars have an impact on Earth? The closest star to us might not be a threat to extinction, but other stars close by might. When some stars exhaust their fuel and die, they explode in a massive supernova that sends powerful radiation into space for millions of light years in all directions. These explosions are hundreds of times stronger than solar flares. Should one occur close enough to Earth, the dying star may expose our planet to so much ultraviolet radiation that it removes the ozone layer's protective shield, leaving Earth open to a barrage of charged interstellar particles. The studies expressed relief that there aren't any supernova candidates nearby that would pose such a threat anytime soon. We only need to be concerned about our nice and comfortable little Sun, because our atmosphere ensures that we stay on the star's friendly side. What will happen if a strong solar flare directly strikes Earth? Although there are many possible solutions, most scientists agree on one thing. Earth's magnetic field and insulating atmosphere keep us remarkably safe from even the strongest solar outbursts. Even though solar storms can interfere with radio and radar equipment and take satellites offline, the most dangerous radiation is absorbed in the sky long before it reaches us. Our planet has a very thick atmosphere that completely blocks out the harmful radiation that solar flares produce. Even the most severe incidents we've witnessed over the past 10,000 years don't seem to have damaged the atmosphere to the point where we are no longer protected. However, not all solar flares are relatively harmless. The sheer electromagnetic power of a flare could disrupt power grids, internet connections, and other communication devices on Earth, causing chaos and possibly even death. While the magnetic field of Earth prevents widespread death from solar radiation, NASA and other agencies space weather specialists take this threat seriously and keep a close eye on the Sun for any potentially dangerous activity. You can watch our next video on Earth's violent sister Venus, and do not forget to subscribe now to motivate us for our continued journey of space exploration. Please hit the subscribe button and stay connected with us. Lots of love and take care.